What is up, guys? So you guys had been asking for the Mi 90 Pro and they have brought in the Mi 90 Pro. But anyways, in my hands, this is the box, so let's unbox, okay? So in the box, the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro comes with a USB Type-A to Type-C cable as well as an 18-watt fast charger. Just an FYI guys, this phone does support 27-watt fast charging, but the charger doesn't come in the box, so you're gonna have to get the charger on your own. Design-wise, the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro looks exactly the same as its brother, the Xiaomi Mi 9T. You will get the same pop-up selfie camera at 20 megapixels, a full-screen AMOLED display measuring at 6.39 inches, a triple rear camera setup with the main camera at 48 megapixels with the Sony IMX586 sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. The rear comes in the same colors with their iconic flame design. However, don't let looks fool you, as the smartphone specs are a lot bigger than the Mi 9T. The Mi 90 Pro comes with tech specs which include the Snapdragon 855 chipset, 6GB of RAM, and a choice between 64GB or 128GB of internal storage, and a whopping 4000 mAh battery capacity. We tried out some PUBG Mobile on this phone and it was able to run the game on extreme without getting too hot thanks to the 8-layer graphite cooling system. If you guys love gaming and you guys love doing a lot more heavy stuff, this is definitely the phone that you want. Pricing and availability will be available soon, so if you want to know more about this phone, stay tuned to technave.com where we will give you the lowdown and whatever dirt we have on this phone. Now anyways, I'm Natasha and I'm about to go own some more noobs in PUBG Mobile because winning is so addicting, especially when it's on this phone. Bye guys!